But if you put it in your title, it's not that you're overqualified. It's that you have no clue how the real world works. And you're trying to jump the queue because you spent $80,000 and have to justify it. Okay, let me just go after the overqualified argument for just a second, because no one gets to hear this from the sides of the recruiters ever.
Sure.
Because we're too busy putting people to work. So overqualified can mean a bunch of things, but let me pitch it just in terms of an MBA. So MBAs hate it when I say this, but this is good information for you. If you have an MBA and you put it on your LinkedIn profile at the top in your name, like you're a doctor, or if you put it on top of your resume, I'm never going to call you. Not because you have an MBA, because you're insufferable. And I know why you did that, because I have called 500 of those people. And no matter what you say, the next question is, well, I think I deserve 20% more because I have an MBA. And I'm like, this is not a public company that you need to do any of that. Why did you get an MBA? You did it because you were told 20 years ago or 10 years ago, that was the next step, but you have no clue the purpose of one. So I don't want to listen to you tell me how qualified you are. I'm not saying hide it. If you have an MBA and I'm looking, put it on the resume. But if you put it in your title, it's not that you're overqualified. It's that you have no clue how the real world works. And you're trying to jump the queue because you spent $80,000 and have to justify it. Very hard for someone to hear that. But it's kind of like that argument. The first thing you should know about me is that I went to Stanford. And you're like, dude, you're 48. If that's the first thing that I need to hear about you.
Hey, thanks for watching The Merge. We've got a ton more stuff for you to watch on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. Check us out.